Hi, today we will learn about Victorian period in English literature. Victorian period starts in 1837 when Queen Victoria ascended the throne and it lasted till 1901 when Queen Victoria died. Victorian period is very important in the English literature because there was a spread of democracy during that time and the science was also spreading day by day. There was a rising conflict between science and religion during the reign of Queen Victoria, but it was later resolved with a compromise between the two. So, science and religion were two different dogmas during that time, and some people wanted to stick to the rules of religion only, and others who were little modern in their thinking and they had come to know about science. They had started making their own rules and principles, so there was a conflict between both of them, but later there was a compromise between the two, and the literary writers also they have made a balance among the between the two. So this is how there was a compromise. The age is famous for far spread British Empire. British Empire was quite vast then during the reign of Queen Victoria. They had established their colonies worldwide, and it was also the age of knowledge, discoveries, and great inventions which were never thought before. The science had started developing, and the science had made so many great inventions at that time. The people had never imagined that discoveries and inventions. So this is how the Queen Victorian age was very important from exam point of view. So let's discuss about the major writers and their important works of the time. Alfred Lord Tennyson is writer who is very important of Victorian period, and his important works are Maud, The Princess, Ulysses, Anna Carden, The Lady of Shalott, The Lotus Eater, In Memoriam. Robert Browning important works are Pauline, Strafford, Bells and Pomegranates, Man and Woman, Dramatic Personae. Thomas Carlyle important works are Sartor Resartus, The French Revolution, On Heroes and Hero Worship, Latter day Pamphlets, The Life of John Sterling. John Ruskin's important works are Modern Painters, The Stones of Venice, The Seven Lamps of Architect, Unto This Last, Munera Pulveris, Sesame and Lilies. Walter Pater's important works are The Renaissance, Appreciation, Plato and Platonism, Imaginary Portraits, On Style, Miscellaneous Essays. You could have not noticed that it can be noticed that during that time the style of writing had changed. The people had started talking about architecture, and the interest of the writers was in science. Also they had shunned the idea of writing on same old concepts. So it should be noticed that the style had changed, and the thinking style and concepts and plots, everything had changed during the time of Queen Victoria. Walter Pater's important works are The Renaissance, Appreciation, Plato and Platonism, Imaginary Portraits, On Style, Miscellaneous Essays. Charles Bronte's important works are Jane Eyre, The Professor, Shirley Willett. Emily Bronte's important works are Wuthering Heights, Complete Poems by Emily Bronte, No Covered Soul is Mine. Emily Bronte and Charlotte Bronte both are sisters, and they have written very important works. Charles Dickens' important works are The Pickwick Papers, Oliver Twist, Nicholas Nickleby, The Old Curiosity Shop, Hard Times, A Tale of Two Cities, David Copperfield. Charles Dickens is really very important writer of Victorian period, and his biography and his works are also very important. There are other works of Charles Dickens also which are really important. Thomas Hardy's important works are Wessex Tales. Thomas Hardy had established an imaginary town named Wessex, and many of his works were established in that town only. So, from exam point of view, if they ask you that who was the writer who had established an imaginary town named Wessex, so the right answer is Thomas Hardy. It is really important. The Poor Man and the Lady, Under the Greenwood Tree, The Return of the Native, Jude the Obscure, The Mayor of Casterbridge. George Eliot's important works are Adam Bede, The Mill on the Floss, Silas Marner, Romola, Felix Holt, Middlemarch, Daniel Deronda. Important works of Samuel Butler are Erewhon, Darwin Among the Machines, The Odyssey of Homer, The Way of All Flesh, The Erewhon Revisited. Important works of Elizabeth Gaskell are Mary Barton, The Life of Charles Bronte, Cranford, North and South, Ruth, Wives and Daughters. Important works of Matthew Arnold are Dover Bridge, The Scholar Gypsy, Thyrsis, Culture and Anarchy, Literature and Dogma. So this is all about the major writers of Victorian period and what Victorian period was and what were the major works written by the writers of that time. So we will discuss about them one by one in the following videos. If you keep on supporting, only then I'll make video upon them. So I feel you like the video. Thank you.